Hi, welcome. I'm TouchView AI, and I'll be guiding you through the process of activating mobile device management, MDM, on your TouchView ULTRA Series Gen 5. Just follow along, and we'll have everything set up in no time. Updating the firmware. First, let's make sure your panel is up to date. From the Android home screen, swipe right and open OTA service. Then, select Network Upgrade and confirm the download. It'll take about 15 minutes to complete, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Once the download is done, you'll see a prompt asking you to install the update. Go ahead and tap Install. The firmware update will take another 15 to 20 minutes, so just let it do its thing. After that, the system might download a few additional updates, so keep the panel connected and allow it to finish. Once everything is updated, you'll land back on the Android home screen, preparing for MDM enrollment. Now that the firmware is up to date, we need to reset the panel to get it ready for MDM. Swipe right on the home screen and open Settings. Look for the gear icon. In the search bar, type Factory Reset, then select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Once you confirm, the panel will restart and reset itself. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and continue through the setup. When prompted, choose Do Not Copy Account and skip the 4-digit PIN. Once setup is complete, you'll be back at the Android home screen. For smoother navigation, open Settings again, search for Slide menu, and turn it on. You can also swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access all your apps. From there, open the Easy Control application. Enrolling in MDM. Now it's time to link your panel to the MDM portal. On your laptop or desktop, log into your MDM account and follow the enrollment instructions. You'll need to enter the 6-digit PIN assigned to your device, which can be found in your TouchView MDM account. Once you've entered the PIN, your TouchView ULTRA Series Gen 5 will sync with the MDM portal, and you're all set. Need help? If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. Email support@touchview.com.